We believe the world is better than it's ever been and full of potential. Until the words, "This is how we've always done it," get in the way. That sentence is a false security that hurts creativity and squanders resources, particularly in the world of construction. The conventional experience is so riddled with uncertainty, people become afraid to try something better. So, we end up in spaces with no hope of keeping up to us. Soon, the thing we spent so long designing and building ends up here. This won't change until we're ready to start doing it right this time. The good news is, technology and design have finally come together to make doing it right possible. At DIRTT, we use a technology platform called ICE. ICE surrounds cold, hard data with a real-time interactive 3D video game experience. ICE takes you inside your unique design. And like a video game, anything you alter is automatically calculated, producing the exact price and all engineering data. Your design feeds directly into DIRTT production facilities and onto your job site. Everything is determined by your team to respond to your aesthetics, operational needs, and even the shape of your building, all without being considered custom. Unprecedented control is now in your hands, solving the most expensive problem of construction, miscommunication. Thanks to the precision of ICE, DIRTT has production facilities across North America for faster delivery and reduced cost to you. On that note, DIRTT has not and will not increase the price of our solutions ever. The DIRTT method of construction brings speed and certainty to a deeply uncertain industry, where the starting price is just that. With DIRTT, the price is precise. And rather than spending 70% of your budget on unpredictable labor hours and 30% on what you actually want, DIRTT flips that. With the same budget, you spend 30% on labor and 70% on your unique physical space that now provides exceptional quality, performance, and long-term adaptability. Because once moved in, your environment continues to respond in large and small ways. Its behaviors help you embrace and harness the future. Part of adaptability is the freedom to choose. Your DIRTT contains patented product-neutral elements designed to support any and all work surfaces, millwork, and technologies. This is a key principle of DIRTT's sustainability. The components are designed to respond to the rest of the world and support your needs. You can even make real estate more efficient with elegant space-saving solutions. Follow that with a radical reduction of material waste typically produced on a job site, and you're saving money while lessening the load on your local landfill. Reduce and reuse are universally accepted as being the most meaningful for the environment. The added bonus is they're also better for your return on investment. Fundamentally, DIRTT is committed to providing sustainable solutions. In every way, they reflect your needs, from the original design and through the passage of time.